All right, guys, so we're going to go ahead and shoot another 360 video for you guys. You're going to hear a lot of noise because we are close to I-95. And where are we? We're at Sunshine Travel. This is one of the Encore parks that's available if you are a Thousand Trails member. And we're going to run through just part of the park. How many sites are in the park?
300.
300 sites. Now, they are adding some. If you want to look over to our left, kind of, which, again, if you guys aren't familiar with this kind of format, this is a 360 video. You determine where you look. You can point it in any direction that you want by moving it with the mouse on your computer, or some of the smart TVs, you can use your remote control. But this one is to the left, is where we're kind of referred to. And there's about 20 sites that are going to go back in there. They're not going to be finished anytime soon. From time of filming here, we're talking May of 2022, but it'll be a little while. So there's a McDonald's that's over here at the gas station, and there's also a racetrack, and they do have some sort of foods inside. But we'll go ahead and walk. We got somebody that's checking in. We'll go ahead and go walk away from the office. You can see this is basically where you pull in at. Once you pull in, this is where you check in, and you can go, as long as it's not busy, you can just pull right up here, go into the office. This is a gated community, let's say it that way. You will get a key that you can wave at either the low or the high, and you don't have to enter a code, it just lets you in. Here's the walkway. It's usually a quiet park, but again, they're doing construction on all those sites, and again, with the noise you got to be concerned with is 95. I mean, it is I-95. We are in what is considered Vero Beach, Florida, but this is really far away from the actual Vero Beach. This is more Fellsmere. It's also very close to Sebastian. You can get to quite a bit of stuff at either one of those locations. Again, feel free to look around at whatever you want. Just, you're in control. You see here, they've got something that's mentioning a Thousand Trails membership specialist. Again, this is one of the parks that we stay at for free for 21 days. And we can go to park to park to park, and we love it. So if you're interested in the Thousand Trails, in the link in the description of the video is some contact information. Use that, just mention our name. That lets you know who to ask for, and lets them know that you guys are RVers and you're wanting to come into this park, and who sent you there.
It's a very beautiful day today.
Yeah, typical.
Wasn't too beautiful last night, though.
Yeah, we had some storms that rolled through here, but
they were quick.
In traditional Florida fashion, it was hard and fast, and then that's it. Now you're going to see there's, and a lot of people don't realize this, everybody in this park's not Thousand Trails members. It's just the people that have joined the Thousand Trails collection can stay here. If you want to be a full-time or a long-term member, they have memberships that are separate from that, but you can do it that way. We're going to go down to where we're parked, and we're going to cut through our site and head over to the clubhouse. So this is just going to be a quick overview. This is basically what all the sites pretty much look like. There are some that are on the other side of the clubhouse that are a little bit different as far as pull-through sites. But if you're Thousand Trails members, these are the sites that you'll be assigned. Easy to back in. The utilities are good. No issues. We've had the water go on and off a couple times. You can see straight ahead of us, they're actually repairing water lines down there. Let's go ahead and cut around our truck here, so you can see what a traditional site looks like. Again, you got a little patio area, picnic tables provided. No fire rings, but there is a common fire pit over here. They also have, as we walk through, you can see just normal sewer hookups, water hookups. They also have shuffleboard courts. The swimming pool is very...
Laundry's over there.
Yeah.
Are we going over there?
Yeah, we'll go around that.
Okay.
We've got a putt-putt golf course over here. You got some picnic areas. You have a big fire pit that you can utilize. Off to our left, you can see the Thousand Trails member. And if you guys haven't followed that channel, it's Keith Bannister that's currently there with Traveling Down the Bannisters. He's the Thousand Trails representative here. Again, shuffleboard courts. This is for all the French Canadian that is down here, I believe. This should a pétanque. I guess it could be used as bocce. Yeah, it's a bocce court also. So again, picnic area. You can see the fire pit. Just spin around.
Horseshoes.
Give you a good look at the whole park. Here's the putt-putt. We've yet to play putt-putt. Heidi's dying to whip my butt at it, like she did back at Jellystone in Hartville.
That's funny. It's very nice though.
Yeah, it is nice.
It's taken care of very well.
Yeah, you can see if there's a lot of water, if it's a wet season, this is filled with water.
There's another little fire pit area.
Yeah, we'll go ahead and come underneath here real quick. Nice, huh? And then you can see the sites that are off in the distance there. They're all back in sites, a lot like ours, but there are some pull-through sites that are a little bit further away. So I think that that's something that if you have a longer rig, you feel not very confident as far as backing, you're going to want to come up here and you're going to want to try to do the pull-through sites. The restrooms. And again, we're going to come around here and take a peek at the laundry real quick. Some of the area is really, really nice. You have like a real nice cabin feel or park feel. Common area, computers. You can do your work. They got Wi-Fi here. I haven't checked the speed of their Wi-Fi. With the Wi-Fi Ranger that we have, I could probably do that from our RV. We might have to do that and try it out for you guys. And then we'll just sneak in and look in the laundry room real quick here.
Very clean.
Yep. In this case, looks like you do the cards. And
It's
we
$2.
just talked about this. We have a video that we shot on our channel that on our fifth wheel, why we're happy that we have a set of washer and dryer inside so we don't have to come and visit the laundry room if necessary. But yeah, I think that this is a park that if you're trying to get out of the snow in the winter, boy, is it convenient. If you're on I-95, if you're just wanting to duck off for a couple days, definitely use this park because it's just so convenient. So let's say you have reservations down, again, using Thousand Trails, if you have reservations down in, let's say, the Keys, and you're halfway through the state, basically, when you stop at Vero Beach, you could stop here. You know, dump your tanks, get yourself all juiced up on McDonald's over there, and refuel, and then head out. So that's a quick overview of the park. What do you think about it overall?
Yeah, it's very nice and clean, and the sites are pretty spacious considering.
Yeah, yeah. We heard some reviews of people saying, "Oh, you know, you're all crammed in," and I don't know. It's not bad.
We have a place to park
worse.
our truck, and we can put our slides out and our awnings out. So
to all those people that are saying that, don't go to Fort Myers RV Resort. That's for sure. So again, this is it. This is Sunshine RV Travel Resort in, technically they call it Vero Beach, but just outside Fellsmere, not far from Sebastian. Lots of stuff to do in Sebastian, lots of stuff to do in Vero Beach. So again, if you're just trying to hang out for the day or 2 or a week, or in our case 3 weeks, check into it. But that's it. We appreciate it, and
As always, we hope to see you out here. Bye.
bye.